Prepare for the installation by using a plastic pry bar to remove the vehicle's dash and support bars. Next, locate the starter wire coming off of the key cylinder using a multimeter or the vehicle's wiring diagram. Cut the wire and confirm the vehicle does not start. Connect the blue wire from the relay to the starter wire that leads back to the key cylinder. Next, connect the red wire from the relay to the starter wire that leads back to the vehicle's starter. We recommend using butt connectors to ensure that they are secure. Using the black ground wire of the power cable, connect it to a chassis ground. Again, best practice is to use a ring terminal and always connect this wire first. Next, using a multimeter, locate your vehicle's 12-volt constant power source. Connect the red wire from the device cable to the white wire from the relay. Next, connect the green wire from the device cable to the black wire of the relay. Be sure to wrap all exposed connections with electrical tape. Confirm that the device is displaying both the green and blue lights. Secure the device label side up in the dash using zip ties and ensure there's no metal directly above the device.